Hello, tutor. My name is Karen Marisa Lemos, SEAT Florence student, and group 107. I present my opinion on the positive and negative effects of technology in the environment. I think that technology in terms of the positive is applied in three important factors. The first is that solar energy can be renewed, which is very important because it is inexhaustible. The second are the campaigns carried out through social networks on the importance of caring for the environment. And finally, involving innovating with new technologies for caring for the environment through advancing warning using different resources. On the downside, I also highlight three important factors. First is the acceleration in global warming, which generates climate change causes harmful effects in the future. The second, deforestation, because they need inputs and tools to the environment, forests, fauna, and the most valuable water pollution. Finally, new technologies invade to hold belongings and buy again. We are filling the world with garbage. I want to first speak with the president to invoke a world meeting to take measures, create new decrees in defense of the environment, and restrict a people who do not comply. For example, the companies that produce millions of essential products a year, which usually use our fauna for you experiments. I hope this problem with hands-on it will continue like this. Our children will not hate the world we see today. Let's take care of our planet. We have only one. Thank you so much, tutor.